You guys, we are in the new house. Oh my god, can't believe it. So exciting. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I finally have somewhere to sit, a dining room table, when I can sit and do unboxings. There are so many coming up now for the holidays that I feel like they're worth having a moment. Also having a sit down chit chat, just hanging out. Can I just say I'm so obsessed with wearing stripes now for the fall. Half my closet is striped shirts. I've been getting all of them from Fashion Nova. You guys really love my fashion fits this month because not only is it fall, not only did you love the stripes, but also so excited to be giving you guys outfit inspo for the next couple of months coming up. And if you're a mama, even better, that's a plus. We can get dressed and vibe off each other. That being said, so many boxes to unbox. Let's see what's new. First, we have a package from Mimi Luzon. And the first thing I saw was Kevin Mayhem. It's probably a collab. I've seen it before. I think it's a celebrity. Let's see what it is. I do love Kevin Mayhem. I get their jewelry off Revolve. I like my favorites. This is so pretty. A little tag, little luggage moment, velvet, a little suede fall moment. Actually, very, very pretty. I definitely will be putting this on my base suitcase. And then, oh, it says valeloren. Is it customized? Is it a mirror? I don't want to touch it. I don't want to get it dirty. Here we have the lip balm. So pretty. Oh my god, it's heavy. The heaviest. My name's on it. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. It's very heavy though. There's like a little 1-2 moment. Feels nice and buttery. It's really good too. And it has a little mirror. A plus. This luxury fashion. We have another one here. Oh, we have a refill. So perfect, so cute. I think I'm definitely gonna use this more like when I travel. Have like one lip balm with me. Stunning. Absolutely in love. I've gotten good at reading like the tag and knowing where it's coming from because sometimes I might not say the brand directly. This is skincare. This is the Good Weather Skin. I actually saw them on Instagram and they look really, really interesting. Here we have one product. It's called the One Daily Sun Cream. Summer's kind of over, but I'm still stocking up on like my summer essentials for like whenever I need it. I live in Florida, so this always comes in handy. I wonder if it's tinted. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Jason drilling into my wall. You guys see how it has like a pink hue in it? It doesn't smell like sunscreen, but it smells like sun protection, if that makes sense. Oh my god, I love the glow. Look at the side by side. My dull hand versus the product. I'm wearing white pants and they're getting so dirty already. I think I'm very excited for this because they sent me a DM and I was like, I love them both. Okay, this is gonna be like an Instagram TikTok moment. It is the new Salt and Stone Aritzia collab. You guys, I have to smell this immediately, but I kind of want to do a blind reaction for like TikTok and Instagram. But this packaging for the fall, I gotta do the big one. I gotta do it big. I actually just unboxed Salt and Stone in my bathroom. This is so gorgeous now for the holidays. I'm gonna wait for Christmas, but I'm Latina, so that means November to actually put this up. It is a lily and yuzu. Oh my god, this is everything. It smells like that old school pink fragrance, the pink bottle with the blue text from Victoria's Secret. If you know, you know, but wow. This is good. I'm very, very into this. But the packaging, sickening. So we have the body wash. We have the deodorant, and we have the body mist. Although my mom is the biggest Salt and Stone fan, more than me. So I just think it's funny. I always think of her and I always give her some, but she ain't taking none of these. She will not. I'm gonna block her from this video actually so she doesn't come home and like take it. I think I know what this is. Brands sometimes have different mailers for, let's be honest, different creators. So sometimes they'll put you, look at this. Salt and Stone Aritzia. So some creators may get a gifting that others may not. But it's all good. As long as you get like the main product, so that matters. But I've seen this and I'm like, I hope I get it. Oh my god, I did. Rode eye patches, honey. I wish I could rub this all around my face right now because I need it. How cute is this? I want to start like scrapbooking and like making pages out of like all my PR stuff. Like I keep everything. Also hot. But how cool is this? Love it all. I'm gonna keep this box. Oh my god, we have two. We have two of the Rode eye patches. Are they all different? Are they different prints? Okay, it seems that way. So we have this print and we have the other one. You guys know I absolutely love Rode. I love everything. My skin eats it up. Like it makes my skin so nice and healthy. So I'm very excited to add this to my routine. I don't even want to open it because I want to save it, you know, for like a tutorial or something. Next, we have a big package from Dove. Some boxes are so confusing. Like, I'm like, can we just like say like open here? Dove! Welcome to Dove Hair Society class of 2025. I'm a Dove girly, guys. Love it for me. Here we have the Intensive Repair 10-in-1 Serum. I just did a campaign with them for the Dove 10-in-1 Serum Mask. If you haven't shown love, what are you doing? Go there, come back, I'll be here. Love it so much. I haven't been doing a lot of masks on my hair recently and I've just been so like sad about it, but now I have a backup because I really loved it and I use it every time I wash my hair. I love little like gift bags. So cute. I love MJ clips so much, but this one, guys, takes the cake. I'm gonna wear it today. Oh my god, so pretty. And here we have, what is this? Jewelry? Guys, they got me a gift. Oh my god, this is so pretty, you guys. Thank you, Dove. Oh, my heart. You cannot make a V backwards, babes. Oh, that is so pretty. Thank you, Dove. Love you guys. My little Dove family. We're not even done. I'm gonna keep... We have sleepy ties, my favorite hair ties ever. This one has so cold on my neck. I love it. I was waiting to receive the Dove Intense Repair shampoo and conditioner. So now I have the full set, like so, and a new hairbrush because mine literally hate me. Like, it's time to throw my brushes away. This is from the Hair Edit. I've always wanted to try one of their brushes. Nice bristles, so I think I'm gonna throw half of them away because I don't have a new one. And now that I'm in a new home, I want to keep as many like less cluttered things as possible. Minimalistic lifestyle, you know, baby on the way. Gotta make my life easier. Oh my god, like I love doing like long-term partnerships with brands because this is the kind of like thing that makes me feel super appreciated, and it makes me want to work with the brand more, knowing that they care enough to like send a personalized gift or send you a little care package, like customized. Like, really says a lot when brands do that. Okay, we have a big box, but I also want to do this advent. Let me do this first. I literally want to keep all my advent stuff and like do like a series on it because people love advent, and I do too. I'm just saying, like, I want to create like more like advent calendar content this year. I thought it was a Rubik's Cube for real. I'm like, I'm putting this back, y'all. I can't. Oh my god, they keep tricking me. I'm like, please let me a Rubik's Cube. I'll never get it. It is a Rubik's Cube. No! I think I'm gonna open this on TikTok because I don't have the time right now or the capacity, but wait, do I have to line it up? Oh my god, I'm so stressed out. Anyways, yeah, thank you Benefit for making my 2 brain cells work even harder today, but very excited about that. Bobbi Brown! Here we have another advent. Is it a holiday? Can I do this bow again? Most likely not. It's not holiday vibes. It is Disney. How am I getting Disney beauty now? Like, literally people like... The fact that brands know that I'm a Disney girl at heart is everything. Alice in Wonderland collection. Yeah, get into it. The iconic vitamin-enriched face-based duo. It is like their award-winning moisturizer. Every makeup artist's dream. I used to use it on my client eons ago. And also I used to use it on one of my friends for her wedding. Truly is one of the best priming moisturizers for makeup. Feeling so grateful. And I think that's all there is to it. And then here we have some holiday stuff. Oh, there's 2. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at it, guys. Alice in Wonderland. So cute. And then here we have some Bobbi Brown holiday gifts. I love to use them for like holiday tutorials. Also for like gifts for like family and friends. But I want to do like a video doing all makeup from like holiday sets. Look at this eyeshadow palette. It's absolutely stunning. This is a very eventful PR. Gets me excited for the holidays and so excited to try all these new products. I'll have everything that I'll have all of these linked down below if you guys want to scope them out, check them out, and I'll have everything in my description as always. So excited for all the new content coming in the new house. I'm just now finished setting up like my filming beauty room situation because I don't have one anymore. So you're gonna see me filming from all kinds of areas in my new home. But so many happy, exciting things are coming and can't wait to post them all. So I love you guys. Thank you for watching. And as always, besitos y abrazos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.